welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be giving you an unboxing of an iPad Pro that I just got. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so not too long ago, I would say probably in December, no, it was November, wait, it was November before Black Friday. They are having the MacBook Pros on sale, so I bought a MacBook Pro last year. I bought a MacBook Pro last year, so it hasn't even been a year since I had it. So like, but like I always wanted the iPad too, and I have an iPad. Let me show you. It's real old. I don't remember the last time I opened this, like, but it was like an iPad mini, and it has a crack right here. Like, I don't even know if it can still come on, like. Yeah, it's not even coming on. So, yeah, and I think I got this in like 2011, 12-ish. Yeah, I think I got this in 2012. I stopped using it in 2015, so I haven't touched this in a long time. I don't even know what's on here, to be honest, so that's that. As of recently, Best Buy was having a sale, and the sale was like, it was like a student discount. It's still going on as I'm making this video, but it ends on Saturday. Today is the 18th. It ends on the 20th. Okay, so it was $150 off of the iPad Pros, so you wouldn't be paying full price because you get $150 off, and it was an extra $50 off for a student discount, and I had $10 in rewards saved up, so I really got $210 off of this tablet. Okay, I've been watching a lot of review videos. I know that a lot of people say if you have an iPad Pro, you might as well get the pencil. So literally the next day I was like, I might as well get it, because I was gonna wait next week until I get paid, but it won't really matter because it won't matter. It really won't. But yeah, so I bought the pencil, so I'm gonna be unboxing that too. Yeah, I just want to give a little backstory. Why I got it for school. I got it for graphic design. A lot of you may not know, but in high school, I was in communications, so I worked a lot in Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Premiere Pro. I heard that not Photoshop, but I think Photoshop, I don't know, but like on the Apple website, they said that a program is coming in 2019, an Adobe program, so I'm really excited about that because I know everything. Well, not everything, but a lot. Okay, let's get started. Okay. I don't know what to unbox first. I'm gonna just unbox a tablet. I got two boxes. This is obviously the pencil, because I know it's not this light. I'm sorry, I got a text message. This is it, because it's kind of heavy. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the thing because it has my address on it. Okay, this way. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit y'all. Oh my gosh, I hate opening boxes, y'all. Why am I out of frame? Okay. Oh, this is a mess. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, this is a mess. Wait. What am I cutting? Oh my gosh, y'all. This is my first unboxing video. Usually I would just open it, like, but why not? Okay. So all these thingies are in here. You know, you could pop them if you want, or you can just keep them. I don't know. You do you. Let me stop. I'm spending too much money on Apple products. Like, y'all, I'm filming this on an iPhone XS Max. I got this in October last year. And then in November, I got my MacBook Pro with the touch bar. So you know that's expensive. And it's it was the highest one in Best Buy. 512 gigabytes that they had. It was 512 gigabytes and it's a 15-inch. Then I got this. It's really light. Like, I thought people was exaggerating when they said this thing is light, but like, it feel like a notebook for real. Okay, but this is it. Really pretty tablet. Perfect size for me because I was kind of contemplating on getting the 50, not, what am I saying 50? The 12.5 inch because, I mean, it looks good. It's big, but it's too big for me. And I already have a 15-inch MacBook, so why do I need a 12.5 inch? I don't need to be throwing my money away like that. But this is perfect size for me. It is the 256 gig. You probably can't see it. I'm having a brain fart, but this is the 11-inch. You can't see it, but it's the 11-inch, 256 gigabyte. 256 gigabyte iPad Pro. Got the Wi-Fi one. I didn't get a cellular one because I have a hotspot on my iPhone, so I could just use that as the internet whenever I'm anywhere. So we're about to open this. Wait. I don't know what this is. Oh. I guess. Okay. Oh, I don't have to cut nothing. Good, because I didn't want to. I usually have nails, but I don't have nails. Am I pushing this back in? Okay. Wow. This is really light. This is the iPad. Very light, very light. Almost scared me a little bit. Like, is this a replica? Is this plastic? Oh, this is pretty. I want to get space gray to match my MacBook because I have a space gray MacBook. So, I don't think I need that. I don't need that. It comes with, of course, the cord and this USB-C port and USB-C cable. And I like how this looks. It's like real cute. That's really cute. Okay, now on to my favorite part. Try not to touch the screen. All right, I gotta get a screen protector. Oh well. Wow. You probably see the TV. I'm watching CNN, obviously, but this is the tablet. My ring light. Y'all, I'm sorry. Let me just show you the back. I'm putting my fingerprints all on it. This is space gray. So yeah, I guess I could turn it on. I know that a lot of Apple products be like halfway charged. So let's see. Okay, there we go. This feels heavier. Maybe it's the case, but I doubt that. This feels heavier than this. So like, I don't know, it's just weird. And there we go, the setup. So, oh, it's fully charged. It's like 99%. I don't know if you can see that, but look, it's like 99%. Okay. But I think I'm gonna do this later because like, I gotta unbox the pencil. Okay. So here goes the pencil. I ordered this last minute because I was really gonna order it next week, but I was like, I'm gonna just order it now. Like, it won't hurt me. And I got the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. It was $124. And hopefully I was hoping it would be on sale, but it was literally $4 off. It's a regular $129. So like, I feel like they're not gonna go down no time soon. And I'm not gonna wait till Christmas, okay? Oh my God, this is the part I hate. Like, I don't even know if I'm cutting down the center. I also ordered a case, but it's gonna be here tomorrow. So, I can't use it. And it's a cute case. I got it off of Amazon. And I'm filming this now, but I might just like put a snippet of the case because I know I'm not gonna post this tonight. Probably gonna post this tomorrow, but yeah, it's not the $200 case with the keyboard because what am I gonna do with the keyboard when it's already on the screen? Exactly. Oh, I got this from Best Buy. I don't know if I mentioned that, but Best Buy. Both of these products. Here goes the pencil. I like this about Apple. Like, I ain't gotta have no scissors. I can just peel this. And I'll be straight. Oh, I also got the latest model of the iPad Pro. Where did I put it at? Oh, it's behind me. This is the one that magnetizes to the thing. I think this is where it goes right here, where it's this little black thing. So we're gonna test that out. Hopefully this is already fully charged. So it has this little tab right here, and then you can just pull it out like so. And then voila. That's neat how they like design it. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's all right. It's not broke. Yeah, I should have known it wasn't stuck to the box like that. But okay, so it has this plastic around there, and it literally is just like a pencil. I was gonna order a case for it, but like I know that it's like certain features that you could tap it and stuff, and I don't know if that'll work with the case. So all the people that said bless you, thank you. Let me recollect myself. Okay, well yeah, this is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. I'm filming with my iPhone, I'm sorry. So if I'm trying to find the camera, it's over here. Okay. But and this is makeup. I just filmed this makeup tutorial, so if you see that, just don't worry, okay? This is a ratchet review. Bear with me, this is my first one, okay? Okay. This is how the beauty gurus be. Here goes the pencil. Right. Ooh. But yeah, this is the tablet. I might do it once on my iPad Pro really soon. I'm gonna go set this up and enjoy it because I literally been filming ever since I got off work. I got off of work like at 3:30 and it's, I don't know, 6 something. It's 7:18. So I've been filming ever since I got off of work. But I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'm gonna go download some apps, buy some apps. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I don't even know if I did it right. Like, don't you just open up the product? Oh, why did I get it? Well, let me tell you why. See, I'm about to end it and I didn't even tell you why I got it. Come on, Brianna, think. Okay, so I got this for school. Wait, I already told you why I got it. I literally told you why I got it in the beginning of the video. Okay, I'm gonna just end it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was ratchet, I know, but it's okay. There's nothing wrong with ratchet. Period. I filmed the makeup tutorial on this look. If you want to check that out, I might upload it before or after. I don't know, probably after, because I want to get this out as soon as possible. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Follow my Instagram, Brianna LaFay. It's in the description box, as always. Like, comment. If you have one, what do you have this for? Comment down below why you got one, or if you like it or not. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I never know how to end my videos, so bye. See you next time.